Hello, good morning, students. So, now here we are going to discuss one more topic of the planning chapter, limitations of planning. So, let me tell you, this limitations of planning will be asked for 4 marks, and it's very important question. In most of the question papers, I have seen this question. So, limitations of planning. So, what do you mean by limitations? Limitations andre demerits or disadvantages. Okay. Normally, limitations word only they use. So, first one limitation is planning leads to rigidity. Planning leads to rigidity. What is rigidity? To understand this rigidity word, we'll take one example. Okay. Iron rod. See, iron rod is rigid. It is strong. You cannot bend it easily. Isn't it? You cannot twist it easily. Isn't it? If that rod, it is made of, say, rubber, you can bend it easily, isn't it? But iron rod, you cannot bend it easily. It is very stiff, strong. You cannot change it. That is rigidity. Rigid, we tell. So, planning leads to rigidity. Andre, if any plan is already done in organization, the people working for that plan or the employees working for that plan cannot change anything. For another example, maybe you are the manager and you have given one plan to your employees. You are telling one plan to your employees, workers under you. Now, since they are workers, manager has already told plan. They cannot change anything because plan is already done. Plan prakara hogbeku. So, it leads to rigidity. Change ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. So, here, subordinates cannot change the plan even if the circumstances have changed. Subordinates andre yaru students? Subordinates are people working under you. If employees are working under you, they are your subordinates. Okay? Yes. If you have a boss over you, then you are subordinates. You are subordinate. So, if a boss has already given you a plan, since you are the subordinate, you are working under the boss, you cannot change the plan of the boss. You have to do what the boss has told you, even if the circumstances changed. So, plan ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it leads to rigidity anta. It is one of the limitation. Okay? One thing you have planned, like for example, see, our college we have a timetable. See, it is planned every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So, see, you all are students. See, you cannot change the timetable, right? Because you are students, you are subordinates. The plan is already been done by the principal. We cannot change it. So, that plan, it is rigid. We cannot change it. That is one of the limitations. It's a small example. So, in business also, manager ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೇಡ, ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಸ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಅದು ಆ ಒಪಿನಿಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ the workers have to work as per the plan given by the manager. So, that is one of the limitation. Planning leads to rigidity anta. Okay, so now let's see the next one. Yeah. Next one's here. Planning reduces creativity. Planning reduces creativity. What is creativity, students? Yes, creativity means coming with new ideas, coming with new methods, coming with new opinion. ಈಗ subordinates creativity is reduced, cannot act on own plan. Alva, see, first of all, you understand who a subordinate is. Subordinate is someone who is working under you. You are giving money to them because they are working. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಅವ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದೇ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಟೆಲ್, ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬೇಡ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವೈ? ದೇ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಯು. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಬಾರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ನಾವು ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ಸಬಾರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಅ ಬಾಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯಂಗ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗುಡ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್, ನ್ಯೂ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಉಂಟು, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಓನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್, ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಓನ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡನ್. ಬಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ planning leads to creativity. See students, what is our topic, what we are studying? Limitations of planning. Okay, so this is one of the limitation. ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, if a manager has already planned everything, maybe there are workers working under him, maybe they have better ideas than the manager. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ಗಿಂತ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೆಟರ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೆಟರ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಈವನ್ ದೆನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸಬಾರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಸೇಸ್, ದ employees or the subordinates have to listen. So it reduces creativity. Okay, yes. Now next one, see, planning involves huge cost. So planning is a costly method. Okay, see, it is a costly ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಖರ್ಚು ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಟಾ, ಯು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸಿ, ಇಸ್ಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಈಗ ಉಡುಪಿದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ? ನೋ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್, ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ದಟ್ ದ ಡಾಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಖರ್ಚು ತುಂಬ ಉಂಟು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಮೆನಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಟು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಡಾಟಾ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಮೆನಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಯು ಡೂ ಮೆನಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವೇ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. See, again I'm telling students, we are discussing about the limitations of planning. Planning ಇದು ಏನು ಕೊರತೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. So this is one of the limitation. It involves huge cost ಅಂತ. Yes, to do plan ಈಗ planning is done in big companies. Big companies, see, they use better methods to do planning. Hi-fi technology use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ there is expenses. So planning involves huge cost. So this is one of the limitations. Now let's see the last one. See what it says. Planning is time consuming. Planning is a time consuming process. Time consuming andre ಏನು? It takes lot of time. It needs more time because collection of data ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್, ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್, ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ it requires more time. See, this all steps, no, this is planning process adu. Planning alli what all is done? You will collect the collection of data. Then you will do analysis. Analysis ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಡಾಟಾ ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೂಡ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. Then determination of all alternative course of action. Because see, plan ಮಾಡುವಾಗ you will have many options. So all the options you will study. All the options you will verify. Then you will select the one best option. Isn't it? So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್. ದಿಸ್ ಕೊರೋನಾದು ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್. ಓಕೆ, see, vaccine, I told you, hundreds of vaccines they are doing. Isn't it? To do one vaccine, there is so much. If you know, there are totally 3 phases to come out with one good vaccine. Isn't it? See, it's a plan. First phase alli they will try with maybe 100 people. The second phase they will try with 1000 people. Third phase they will try with some lakhs of people. So ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ it is time consuming. So it's like that. ಈಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ say they want to they are doing one big plan. So ಆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ it will take more time. It doesn't happen in one day or one night. It will take months. It might take years together. Okay. So planning is a time consuming process anta. Okay. So now you all might debate on that, but it is good thing, no? Yes, it is good thing. When you give time and you plan, it is good thing only. But the question is limitations of planning. It is one of the limitations. Andre planning ಬೇಗ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Yes, it takes lot of time. It doesn't happen very quick. Quick plans andre anta plan ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, see, vaccine, if you do a vaccine which comes in 1 month, will you go for it? No. To one vaccine to come medicine for corona, it actually requires minimum 2 years. That is, it has done with all the time, with all the cost. It is very reliable anta. Okay, so planning is a time consuming process. Okay, thank you students.